That's fucking sick. Sick as full. Sounds a lot better, yeah. Cool. Sounds good, dude.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sounds so much good. So much better.
Hopefully this angle's not terrible, but I'm excited. This is sick. It sounds good. Not as visceral as the AMG, but it doesn't need to be. It's an Audi. Oh my God. Night and day. Oh, night and day. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, and the little crackles in the end too. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is it. This is all it needed. All it needed was a fucking little exhaust. It's fucking perfect. Mind my language, but my word, brother. This is perfect. I need a... Oh my goodness. Let me do a quick little downshift. Oh yes. I gotta shut up, let y'all listen to it. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, I did. I messed that up. Oh, this is good. This guy's all over the road though. Oh yeah, the overrun. The overrun is there. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, this is the tits. This is the tits. This is what my dreams were made of as a kid. And I can hear now when I'm like absolutely ass at fucking shifting. I can hear it all. And I can hear the fucking downshift. It's like the biggest part. I love that. I can hear the fucking downshift. That's all that I care about. Little side road pull. This was nice. Oh, that's... mint. Like, I don't want to drive in lower gears at all. Like, why would I? like it's just so much more fun now. Now I'm happy. So all in to get me to a happy point with the S5, $12,500 as opposed to fucking 40K with my AMG. So, fuck yeah. I'm at the office, but might as well while I'm in the garage.